Get ready for a dessert that's as beautiful as it is delicious. Red Velvet Cream Cheesecake. With its soft red velvet base and creamy cheesecake layer, this dessert is the perfect harmony of flavors and textures. Whether you're celebrating a special moment or just indulging in a sweet treat, this cheesecake is sure to delight. It's a simple yet elegant combination that brings together the best of both worlds. Let's dive into making this stunning dessert. Here are the ingredient lists for Red Velvet Cream Cheesecake. Start by coating the square mold with butter to ensure easy removal of the cheesecake later. In a medium bowl, combine cake flour, cocoa powder, red yeast powder, baking soda, and salt. Whisk them together thoroughly to ensure the dry ingredients are evenly mixed and well combined. Set the mixture aside until you're ready to combine it with the wet ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together sugar, vegetable oil, and egg until the mixture is smooth and well combined. This creates the base for your batter, giving it a nice, even texture. Be sure to whisk thoroughly to ensure everything is well combined. Add the sour cream, buttermilk, and vanilla extract to the mixture. If you don't have sour cream, you can substitute it with buttermilk for a similar creamy texture. Whisk everything together until smooth and fully incorporated. Gradually fold the dry ingredients into the wet mixture using a spatula. Mix in batches, making sure that the ingredients are just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Overworking the batter could affect the texture of the cake, so a few gentle folds will help maintain its light and airy consistency. This step ensures that the dry ingredients are evenly incorporated without losing any of the cake's delicate texture. Scoop 2 to 3 tablespoons of the batter into a piping bag to create a decorative swirl. This small portion of batter will be used to add a beautiful design to your cream cheesecake later. Having it ready in the piping bag makes it easy to add the perfect swirl effect when layering the cream cheese mixture. Now, let's prepare the cream cheese layer. In a clean bowl, beat the cream cheese and powdered sugar together until smooth and creamy. This mixture will provide a rich and velvety contrast to the red velvet cake, adding that deliciously creamy texture to your cheesecake. Next, add the egg and vanilla extract to the cream cheese mixture. Beat until smooth, ensuring there are no lumps and the mixture is creamy and well combined. Now, it's time to layer the red velvet and cream cheese mixtures. Pour first the remaining red velvet batter into the greased pan and spread evenly. Next, gently pour the cream cheese mixture over the red velvet layer. Use an offset spatula to evenly spread it across the surface. Then refine with a small icing smoother for a flawless finish. This technique not only helps achieve an even setting during baking, but also enhances the overall aesthetic of the final product. To create the swirls, carefully pipe the reserved red velvet batter evenly across the cream cheese layer, ensuring smooth and consistent lines for a beautiful design. Gently use a toothpick or skewer to swirl the red velvet batter into the cream cheese layer to create a stunning pattern. Feel free to get creative. Experiment with different swirling techniques to make your cake uniquely beautiful. Place the pan in the preheated oven and bake for 28 to 32 minutes, or until the cream cheese layer is set with a slight wobble in the center. Remove from the oven and let cool at room temperature, then refrigerate for at least 2 hours to fully set. And there you have it. Your stunning red velvet cream cheesecake is ready to impress. The rich, velvety layers and creamy texture make it the ultimate indulgence. Whether you're serving it at a special occasion or treating yourself, this cheesecake is sure to be a crowd pleaser. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed our red velvet cream cheesecake, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Be sure to subscribe for more delicious recipes. You can find the full recipe at elleskitchenlife.com, link in the description below. I can't wait to bake with you again. See you in the next video. Happy baking!